We hear a lot about the changing climate's impact on farmers, beachfront property owners, and even polar bears. I want to talk to you about another group in danger, our nation's men and women in uniform. As a retired Lieutenant General in the United States Air Force, I care deeply about the safety of all our armed forces. The truth is, our over-reliance on fossil fuels in the military and society in general are putting our troops in danger. First, our military is the largest institutional consumer of fuel in the world. Procuring, transporting, and protecting that fuel jeopardizes lives. A 2009 study by the Army Environmental Policy Institute reported that between 2003 and 2007, more than 3,000 U.S. troop and contractor deaths or injuries were attributable to enemy attacks on fuel supply convoys in Iraq and Afghanistan. The more fuel we have to transport the battlefields, the higher the risk of casualties. As Secretary of the Navy Ray Mapes said during a 2012 budget hearing, we would be irresponsible if we did not reduce our dependence on foreign oil. I could not agree more. Second, the effects of climate change mean many of America's military bases at home and abroad face substantial risks from both rising sea levels and increasingly severe and frequent storms. While the military has already begun a robust climate risk management plan and program, military bases are still not safe from extreme weather damage. A single hurricane, flood, tornado, or earthquake could severely damage essential bases and significant national defense systems. So how do we work to keep our military forces safer and help them to do their jobs around the world? By investing in biofuels, as well as using more solar and renewable power, the United States military leaders are moving in the right direction. But we need to work together on more aggressive, widespread, and faster action by many groups nationwide. Beating climate change means uniting individuals and institutions, from the top and bottom, left and right, military and civil societies. This is not a spectator sport. This will require a team effort. As a nation, we've worked together to fight common enemies before. We've tackled big problems together when the stakes were clear and failure was not an option. Now is one of those times.